channel. So here we are today. We are at Reggae Falls here with the Love Light crew, everybody around, and I'm really excited to get started. Let me know if you guys have ever been to Reggae Falls. You can comment below. I hope you enjoy this video. Hey guys, so before heading out, I definitely wanted to show you what was going on in my little swag bag today. Yes, please.
One time gone, long time gone, when me never have nothing. One or two slices of bread, be careful what you bully beef thing go to. Now a 10K, and me don't even know which door to go.
This is what we have to do to go across. It's a video. Move around. Hey guys, thanks for joining on the vlog today. That was my first vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I finally made it to Reggae Falls, thankfully, and it was so much fun, so cool, so nice, so refreshing. The only thing is there were so many people. Like, I don't usually like crowd, but it was definitely a great experience. And to find out more about EpicTourzZ, I am going to attach a video here at the end. Definitely check it out. It was amazing. Take care,
What
guys.
can you tell us about Epic Collective?
Well, what can I tell you? We went together today to Reggae Falls.
Yes. How was it?
It was great. We had a lot of fun. We got there early, thank God, because the place was full. But yeah, it's basically what we did today is what we do on a daily basis. We do private tours in off-road vehicles like this Jeep.
Right.
And yeah, we just try to be a little bit different than a typical tour when you go in a big tour bus to Dunsriver Falls or Dolphin Cove or these major attractions. We try to find smaller places and more feel it a little bit more private and special. Basically, we based on who you are and what you like to do, we curate or build a day that is basically our goal is to make your perfect day. That's what we want to do. We want you when someone comes to Jamaica, let's say they spend a week or 2 weeks in a hotel or a villa and then go out one day.
Right.
If they choose us that one day, we want that one day to be the perfect day, the day that when they go home, that's what they're gonna remember. So, you know, just like we had snacks in the car,
Yeah,
and we usually would carry coconut water, and you know, we base the day what you would want to do.
Right. So if there's anybody who'd be interested in getting in contact with you guys, what can they do?
So we are really open for communication on any stream, whether you come on social media, Instagram, Facebook, you can direct message us. You just look either under the name of the company, the Epic Collective, or just our website, EpicTourzJamaica.com. And there you can just sign up. There's basically a questionnaire. You can fill in the kind of things you like to do, and then we will get back to you and we'll communicate a little bit together, and then we'll come up with a day for you.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thanks for sharing.
No problem.